Get ready with a gay Igbo man who is juicy, glowy, sexy, moisturized, hydrated, and unbothered, protected by my ancestors and divinely protected. We are going out. I want to go and do what I need to do. Let's get into the outfits quickly. I'm wearing this top from Cause. My cargo shorts is from Dance. I haven't worn this in a while, so is this trainers from Polo Ralph Lauren. These 3 bracelets and this wristband. For the lips from Summer Fridays, my cream is vanilla, so I'm going to spray a little bit of this on the skin. This has some lemon and vanilla twist. I've applied this already. This is from Lush. Both of them are from Lush. The fragrance I have in this atomizer. These sunglasses from Lispex. My tote bag is from Kai Collective. It's this tote bag that they give to you when you shop from them. Thank you so much for getting ready with me. If you have watched up until here, let us know what you think in the comment section. Listen to Igbo Queer and Unfiltered. The podcast is released every Tuesday. You can listen to the podcast on every podcast platform that you listen to your podcast on. Subscribe to the African Gay Igbo Vlog channel. Have a wonderful time. I will see you in the next one.